So as I explained before, functions are stored in packages, and when you install a package, then your computer will download the folder that corresponds to that package and that contains all the functions that belong to that package. Now, just downloading the package is not enough. If you really want to use the functions from the package in your code, you have to import the package. And that's what you see here. So you write import followed by the name of the package, and that will put all the scripts that belong to this package in the memory of your computer where Python can find and use them. If you then want to use a function from the package, the code looks like this. If you want to use a function from the imported package in your code, you have to write it like this. So the name of the package followed by a dot and then followed by the name of the function. And then of course the round brackets with inside the arguments that you want to give. So the dot means from package. So we're going to use the add function from the math package. And here we're going to use the ABS function from the math package. If you only want to import one function from a package, then the code looks like this. From, and then the name of the package, import, and then the name of the function that you want to import. If you now want to use this function in your code, you don't have to repeat the package name. You just use the function name followed by round brackets. Since you have to write the name of the package every time you want to use a function from the package, it can be very annoying to do that if the package has a long name. So you can rename a package when you import it. And that's what you see here. I'm going to import the package called math, but in the rest of the code, I'm going to call this package M instead of math. So you use the as operator to rename the package. If I now want to use a function of this package, I can simply write m dot and then the name of the function. Packages in Python typically have a hierarchical structure. So packages consist of sub-packages because packages are often quite big. They contain a high number of functions. And because of that, to keep everything organized, they are often divided into sub-packages. Here you see an example on the slide, a package called game. It contains a lot of functions, but you can divide the game into different components, sound, image, level. So every component will become a sub-package with the functions that belong to that specific component.